There we go. A little smoke in the front. Alright. Ouch. And now, working with this tripod. Okay. A little smoke up here. This is an inner cover. Alright. Should lay this aside. Alright, this one already has a vent top and quilt on it. So they're already down snuggled in. And I'm in mid-Missouri, so I just started putting this on just because. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, ladies, come on, go down. I want to give you a peek. Alright. Before, they only had 1 or 2 frames. They actually had about 4 frames. 2 were built, but not full, and the rest were empty. So, I've got some here that I've extracted honey off out of my collection. And I'm going to give these back to them, or give these to them, and see if they'll boost their, there we go, boost their building, since they don't have to spend all that time on wax. They do have their candy, but like I said, it was raining, so I threw some sugar on all of these guys, just so they had a place to do something. Alright, if I didn't staple this up, I did. I stapled the wrap to the top. Oop, come on. There we go. I got happy with the staple gun. Alright. So we're going to put this under here. Camera's in the way, so I'm trying. Alright. Let's take a peek, shall we? Oop. I just dumped some of their sugar. Apparently it's not got enough moisture on it yet. So we'll set this over here. There we go. And I used the sticks to make sure the screen wasn't completely all the way down on them, because I was out of my other sticks. Painter sticks work great, which I have some in my pocket. Alright. Oh, the meat look good. Oh no. There's only 1 box. They don't have a second. Like I said, very late swarm. We're trying to give them a chance, is what I'm doing. There we go. I had to adjust the camera. Let's see what they got. Oh, they got some honey storage. But at the same time, they got wonky comb. They're bad about this wonky comb, aren't they? Let's see what they got. This one's not filled out very far. Ooh, that's a shallow at that. That's not supposed to be in there. Okay, stick that in there. Hi, guys. Those are shallows. In a deep box. I must have been something up with that. Okay, so what else we got? Alright, happy, little puff. Let's take a peek in here. And we got honey. No eggs. Come on, scoot over. I'm going to take a peek. It is 65 out here in mid-Missouri. That's the only reason I'm doing this today. It's where I dumped the honey in. Those guys are working. Or I'm sorry, girls are working. Still no eggs. Alright. Ooh, they didn't like that. Let's see if I can get this in there. Interesting. It's a very, very small hive. These are all youngins. Look how little they are. Move this over here. There's actual honey on that one. They're mad now, that's for sure. I don't have a whole lot of hopes for this hive. Up. Get up out into the sunlight. There we go. Oh, we're getting better. Let's see. Very, very young. They have eggs at least. See if I can get this on camera. We got eggs. All stages. I was hoping to see if I can find her. Where's your entourage, young lady? She's back on this side. Oh, I know they got one. Try one more time. Come on, open. Oh, there's eggs on this one too. She's a little bit everywhere. Alright. If I could just find her, would make my day to find the queen today. There we go. Sorry. Queen, 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 queen. Anybody see a queen? I don't. Where are you at, young lady? See, I blew on them just enough to get them to move around. I don't see her. I see a varroa mite though. Let's see if I can get that. Where is she? Alright. I see one mite. Well, the mite's gone on the one I seen, but it's a nice calm day to do this. Nice that my mite treatments are doing pretty good. Alright. Oh, look, cow. I got everything on this one. No eggs, but it has storage, so. Alright, let's put everybody back in. These here, see there's nothing on this one. This one's got something. How many did I take out? 2. I don't want to take their reserves either. This way. All spells off. Cut it off in spring. Give it back to them. Oh. Come on. Just pop it back in. Huh. Alright, so like I said, they're really weak, and as you can see, there's a cow. Hi, Brad. Hi, bud. He's wanting to know why if I got food. Alright, so this one here don't have much of anything on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape, there we go. Scrape this off and give it back to him on those frames. Because I just gave them those frames that are built out. So they can use it to finish them off, to cap them, and they won't have to do the work. Because those are already completed. So we'll tuck this back. So you can see my sugar in there for them. And we'll just scrape this off in here in the top. And now give them their wax and anything that's on this frame. Because I don't want to put this one back in there when I just gave them one that's completely pulled out for them. I don't want the resources. See, there's some pollen for them. I'll get my knife around. Oops. Get in there. I'm going to knock all this down in there so they can have it. Hang on. This will work better. There we go. It's kind of sticky. Go figure. Ha ha ha. And we'll do the same with this. Like I said, I gave them a full deep frame that's completely drawn out. So this will work for them better. You can use this, reuse it, and put it, ouch. Alright, I'll just lay that to the side. While I'm out here, they'll clean it up. We'll make sure all this is tucked down in there so they can get it. Nothing on the sides. We don't want no robbings. They're trying, but we'll see. Look, more cows. Cows. My bees are out with my cows. It seems to work pretty good. They leave them alone. All right, we'll put all this back together. And here we go. So we'll put the top back on. And we'll sew the entrance piece up because we don't want extra ventilation right now. All right. Put this back on. There we go. And that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chris here at Midmo Bees.